Welcome back. This is Radio Jonesy, and in today's video, we're going to chat about 3 things that can improve your life. It's improved mine, so these 3 things are a must-do for you to have a happier and healthier life. And it's been an enjoyable experience to work this out, and then I like to share it. And it's 3 simple steps, and let's get on with it, and I'll explain what I mean. The first thing is so simple, and you've got to get it into your psyche, that if you believe, well, you don't have to believe, but if you do one thing for yourself a day that's positive, you've got to actually think about it, you've got to actually plan it, and then you've got to actually do it. So for yourself, you can think of one thing that you need to do, and then you can do it. That could be anything from something simple like checking out your wardrobe, cleaning it out, throwing out old clothes, sorting out your paperwork in your office, or it could be something just that has to be for you. So whatever that little thing is, if you choose every day to focus on one thing for yourself and you achieve that one thing, that's a positive. And with that positive, I don't know, it just uplifts you and it makes you feel you've achieved and you've done something for yourself for that day. And that is the first thing. Like, the first thing is always about yourself. Like, it could be a simple thing. I'm going for a walk. And then a lot of people say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. But you go and do it. You actually achieve it. Once you get that goal done, that first goal for yourself, you get that achieved. You know, you could be driving to work. You might think, hey, I might try this other direction today. And you go that way. Well, just you've tried it, you've achieved it. Did it work? Who knows? But you give it a crack. That's the main thing. But yeah, I find one little achievement for yourself every day, and it's uplifting and it's a very positive thing. The second thing, so there's 3 things in my formula here that it's improved my life. The second is improving something for somebody else. So whether it's your better half, one of your children, a friend, a neighbor, a random stranger, if you achieve something positive for that other person during the day, that is another goal you can set, and you get it into your psyche. You do something good for you, you do something good for somebody else, and that's 2 things. And they can be anything, but you must try to achieve these things every day on a daily basis, and life is good. Let me just say a random thing. What have I done today that's a positive? Okay, my wife, she likes gaming, so she's got some console. Like, oh man, I'm not much of a gamer, but she's got this console, and it's playing up, it's overheating, it's stopping, it's probably seen its use by date. So today I thought, you know what, it gives her enjoyment, it keeps her active, her mind busy and sharp, and her health too. Her specialist said after she had a stroke that the gaming is very great for elderly people, which she's not really elderly, she's the same as me. So depending on who you are, you can say whatever generation you're in. You can pick which side of the fence you're on, but all I'm saying is that I went down and bought a brand new gaming system for her today, unannounced, just went down and done it, brought it home, said, here you go, belated present, early birthday present, another Christmas present, whatever you want to say it was, it's there. So it was done today, and I've got one happy person in my life at the moment. So that is a positive. That's just a simple positive. Other things can be maybe your kids wanted something or wanted me to, can you come with me, Dad, down to this shop because I want to do this or do that, and I'm just not sure what I'm doing. If you can come with me, just little things, and it's just things you can achieve daily. So achieve something positive for yourself, achieve something positive for another person, whether it's family, neighbor, friends, or neighbors. It's what you do. And the third thing, which I find very, very rewarding, is your property. Do one thing a day that's positive and improves your property. So little things like in my house here, it'll be a certain garden. Okay, today that garden area is going to be tidied up, cleaned up, finished, and it's done. So it's like it's an achievement that you've done something for yourself, you've done something for somebody else, and you've improved your place of residence. It could be anything from fixing a door handle, a cupboard, a squeaky floorboard. It could be anything, but it's a positive. And if you do those 3 positive things daily, and when you wake up in the morning, you think of these 3 things, and if you do all 3 daily, your life is a much better place. It's my magical 3 numbers thing that I've been doing now for about the last 20 years. Every day I tried to do something positive for somebody at work. When I had my business, I tried to always do something positive for myself. I'd force myself to get home and go for a walk, or get home and do some sort of exercise, some sort of stretching, but always something positive for myself. And the third thing was always improve your house, like the lights, the gardening, the lawn, the whatever it is, the raking of the leaves. Just, it doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be expensive. It's just got to be 3 positive things. And if you do these 3 positive things in your day, life is good. That's my thought for the day. This is The Conversation. You're with Radio Jonesy. Until we meet again, thanks for dropping in, and put something down in the comments. I'd like to hear what your 3 things are that you like to do or to improve your life. Till we meet again, Radio Jonesy. Ciao. Hey, this is Radio Jonesy. Thanks again for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Ciao.